going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I got an unboxing and first impressions video of an impressive set of over-the-ear wireless headphone cans. But first off, I'm going to do a quick update on my Corsair HS35 Turtle Beach Recon 70 dual review. That video is still coming later on this week. Okay, I wanted to test it out for 7 plus 8 days. I'm testing it out in a bunch of games, especially games like Borderlands 3, State of Decay 2, and I just started recently using it on the game preview game that launched on Xbox, Atlas. So give me a few more days for that, and that video should be releasing on the weekend. But today I got a treat for you folks. This is this headset comes. Oh, oh my camera! Sorry. Okay, sorry. My cat bumped the camera by accident. All right, she does that now and then. Let me go ahead and unbox this set of cans. Now this is from a group called Aladdin Audio. Yeah, I think I said it. Aladdin Audio. And look, this is in a big old box to say. They used a big box just to stick a set of cans in. Now I don't think the headphones are that big. It's just probably what type of box they had at the time. So let's go ahead and get this open. And it's an impressive it's an impressive looking box. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And this is the Aladdin Audio over-ear set of cans. Now this is going for $60 on Amazon right now. Price could vary, but this is like in the $50-$60 headphone range. And I think by the end of the year, this year, I'll have an impressive set of my top 5 over-the-ear headphone cans between $50 and $60 range. And it's going to be impressive because I got 2 more coming in the mail. That's right, 2 more that are in the $50-$60 range, and this is impressive. Let's go ahead and read off the specs. And this is the Aladdin Audio EQ200 wireless headphone. Now the specs, it's got 40mm drivers. Let me see. The charging time is 2.5 hours. The battery lifetime is 25 hours. So give or take. I don't think this has noise cancellation or anything like that. I don't think so. It does not say. Oh wait, here we go. On the bottom of the box, wireless 3.5mm jack. Comes with a 3.5mm jack. It's foldable, storage bag, and microphone. So these do not have wireless, active noise cancellation, I should say. I don't care about it either. So this is just for music, plain and simple. Let me go ahead and. Oh, this box is like really high class. Look at the packaging. Look at this. This is a solid box. I'm impressed already for $60 for a set of cans to come in this type of package. Now Aladdin Audio, I think they made like one other set of headphones, and it was like expensive, like $150. So when I saw this one going for $60, I jumped on it. Let me go ahead and get it ready. I got the plastic off. Ugh. It's trolling me. There we go. Okay, here we go. You ready for the look? Da, 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 da. And wow, look at this case! Holy smokes! Look, and look at the set of instructions. Now this is a first-class unboxing experience. This is ridiculous. So I thought there was a CD disc in here, but no, it's a user manual. Okay, I'm probably gonna put this on the side. I usually toss them, but I learned not to toss them the last few days. But check out this case! Holy smokes! Hard case, big plus in my end, in my book. Let me go ahead and unzip this. Oh, even the zipper's stiff. I took a peek at it. Are you ready? I got the red ones, okay? Because I don't have like a really good set of red over-ear headphone cans. Look at that! Whoa! Whoa! That's awesome. You know what? These look like old school Bluetooth Bass T3 headphones. They kind of got that feeling. And let me see. Alright, the buttons are here on what ear cup is this? It does not say, but I'm assuming it's the right ear cup. Of course, the right ear cup, because you just look at the orientation of the cups themselves, they're going to go like that. And they're really light. But the build quality, check this out for $60. Okay? You got a metal band here covering the plastic headband. Okay, look at that. It got their logo there. I don't know if you can see it. Aladdin Audio. And The cushion it's okay, decently soft. Now, but check out it's metal here, but it's plastic on the back here. And the hinges here, they're plastic, but it gives off a premium feeling. Okay, this is a snappy set of looking cans. These look ridiculous. They look good. All right, let me go ahead and test the fit real quick. Let me see how these fit. Oh, look at that. They fit just nicely on your head. They do sway a little bit down, so I would advise against using this, for working out, unless you're just plain running, where you're not bobbing your head up and down. I can already tell they're gonna go if I keep on doing that. You see, it kind of moved. But I wouldn't use this for running. It's more like casual listening right here, because look at this. The ear cups are nice and soft, and for the most part, they're egg-shaped. You know me, folks been following my channel. I like the egg-shaped ear cups because they form and contour to your ear more than just circular ear cups, where most of your ear will fit in it. Like the tips and the bottom tip and the lower tip, it's like they're being squashed against your head. It's not a bad thing. It doesn't hurt because the nice ear cups are soft, but it's just annoying for me. I prefer egg-type ear cups, and these work fine. My ears totally fit in them. Now, if you got a big dome or a big head, they probably will. They're decently sized. They'll fit most people's head. I'm looking at the ear cups. Okay, there's only a few people in the world that have really big heads that won't fit that. So let me go ahead and take a look at what else is in the case here. So they give you a 3.5 millimeter connecting cable, auxiliary cable, just in case you got something that does not have Bluetooth. And you got a USB A to USB charging cable. So I kind of wish it was mic USB Type C, but hey, I mean, $60, you get a decent package right here. Solid case, solid looking headphones. Now the most important part is sound quality, and the buttons, again, like I said, the majority of the buttons are on the right ear cup, but you have the power button and the charging port on the left. Yeah, the power button is right there on the left and the charging port, but the right's got the volume up and down button and play and pause button there. Interesting. Huh. So let me go ahead and get this paired. I'm gonna do a little jump cut right here. Alright folks, I'm back. I went ahead and got this paired. Now, I forgot to mention when I was naming out the specs, the most important part, this is rocking Bluetooth 5.0, and it's also sporting aptX technology. So not aptX HD, just aptX low latency. So that means you should be able to watch YouTube stuff, movies and whatnot with this headset, and you're not gonna have that lag, where the lips are moving and there's voice going. So yeah, but I got this paired. I'm gonna test it out, of course, but this is gonna be just the first impressions of how this sounds. So I got my Spotify ready to go. It's paired to my my Galaxy Note 10 Plus today, not my LG V30. Let's go to my list. What song should I play? Of course, it's gonna be NCS. I mean, it has to. So as you can hear in the background, I got a song playing already. I got Necozilla going on. So I got it at full blast. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad. Let me go ahead and play something else. Let me see. Let's get something with some vocals. I guess I'm gonna go with Linked. Get to the bass drop. Whoa. Okay. Alrighty then. So that was just a quick sample of the Aladdin Audio EQ200 wireless over-the-ear headphones. Now let me talk about sound quality. I had it on the pop setting by accident because I was testing out my other set of cans, my Tri-Bit headphones. I was also testing out not testing out. I was also trying a different set of cans, the Sony 950 BT that I had, the old 2000 set of cans that I had. So I had to turn the bass setting down so it was on pop. So when I listened to this, the bass was kind of muffled for some reason because it was on pop settings. So when I switched back to normal settings, right out of the box, normal settings, my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the bass it's rumbling, okay? To the point where it can get a little muddy at full blast. Some songs, okay, some like Fort Minor. I listened to some Fort Minor. The Remember Me, Remember My Name. It got a little muddy there, but then again, all my other headsets get a little muddy in that song too, especially during the bass. Not necessarily, not all of them. I should say the Ghost Tech doesn't get like that, but this one does. So the bass is heavy set on this. Now the mids, they're a little recessed, and the highs, they're clear, but they still get kind of overpowered slightly by the bass. Alright, slightly by the bass. Sorry, I had to fix my camera, it's kind of off. But other than that, it's an enjoyable experience. Now for $60 from just my first impressions, it's barely worth that. Let me tell you why. The sound quality is good, the sound quality is great. Volume for me is just not right where it's supposed to be for me. Okay, now this headset is going to be probably loud enough for 85-90% of people out there, but I'm in the 10% minority who listens to everything like full blast, you know. I wish it was a little bit louder, but what makes it worth it is the presentation. You got the nice box, you got the solid case, and the presentation that it comes in, I think, and the build quality. Okay, for $60 headsets, this is more decent than most other $50 headsets out there. I like this metal band here that's over the plastic. I think it adds a touch of class. All right, and look at these hinges. The hinges here, I didn't notice it, but they're gold here. So now I'm not saying the build quality is all important. Sound quality is. Okay, that's why I say it's barely worth it. Sound quality on this is very similar to one of my older headsets, the Miracle of Souls. That's what it sounds like. Miracle of Soul A7, but that headset was really extremely balanced. This has more bass pumping out, more rumbling bass. I am gonna test this out. I'm gonna have a review on this headset within 7 to 8 days. I still got my Corsair HS35 Turtle Beach Recon 70 gaming headset review video. It's coming this weekend. But yeah, the review for this is still coming, and I got a couple more $50 to $60 headsets in this price range that that's coming. I'm gonna put together, and I'm gonna have an awesome my top 5 headsets of the year list. I can't wait to do that video because I'm having fun testing all these headphones. So what do you folks think about the Aladdin Audio EQ200? You folks think about checking it out? The link is down below in the description. Just remember, whatever you folks pick up from those links goes directly back into the channel. I get a little kickback, goes back to my channel, so I can pick up new untested products like this, and I can, you know, give you my opinions on them. Again, they're just my opinions, alright? Everyone hears music differently. I hope you folks at least take the time to go check out your music, and please treat your headphones with respect. Don't just toss them, don't drop them, okay? You know, I see a lot of that in the comment sections of headphones on Amazon. Oh, I dropped it once and it broke a few days later. That smells like a lie. Alright, it smells like someone dropped it and it broke the first time, but they wrote that 3 days later to make that look, you know, better. Now, I'm not saying all the people who write that stuff is a lie. I'm just saying some, not all. But yeah, it's Guddang775. Let me know what you think about this video. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below as well. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775, aka Sully, just a mile boy in Texas. Thank you for watching. Peace out.